Hello, students. I am your biology educator, Dr. Meet Bhavnani, and welcome to Diksha Karnataka. Now, you very well know that the news has come, and it's also written on the black that smart board that your NEET 2026, which was held on 3rd May, got cancelled by NTA because CBI has some investigation. NTA has investigation that paper has leaked some places, not every place, but in some places. So, earlier when NEET was cancelled, NTA was suggested that time that only for some students the NEET will conduct, and for some students the NEET will not conduct. Now, this time, NTA has cancelled NEET 2026 exam completely for each and every student who has appeared on 3rd May. Okay, so NTA has not done any partiality to anyone. Now, if first exam cancelled, what will happen? Means how the students will get segregated, which student will get first rank, which student will get 15th rank, and how the exams, the counseling will done. Definitely this will happen when exam will again happen. So re-NEET 2026 will happen definitely. Exact dates has not come yet, but if we imagine that after how many days re-NEET will occur, means and you have to undergo, you have to supervise, you have to watch the NTA site regularly on the official website regularly to fetch the latest information so that you will get the information fast. Okay, so NEET 2026 has cancelled completely for each and every student. Re-NEET will definitely occur. One more thing, NTA will not going to take registration fees again for the student. No, again that fees that you students are going to open the window and going to fill the fees, and this will not going to happen again according to the latest information. Okay, so re-NEET 2026 definitely occur. Now I'm telling you, on an average, just an imagination, according to the experience of an educator, and by watching all the news and latest information, we can take 45 days gap. NTA will not do this thinking, okay, we'll take the exam so or so or day after tomorrow. No, this will not going to happen because this big exam is going to conduct again. So it is again a bigger responsibility for the NTA to conduct. Now, this time, students, okay, take 30 to 45 days. Don't take 45 days, only take 30 days, 1 month. Okay. So, will it re-NEET is good for students? I think it means okay, paper has leaked, so NTA is allowing you a one more chance attempt in 2020. Okay, no additional fees and don't panic, don't cry, ma'am. By sometimes things will happen for a good. Okay, it is this information is very shocking and disastrous for me also, that we have even the educator is doing so much hard work, even we have do so much hard work for the students, that students do this, student read this theory, do these questions, and when students are ready to give exam and already exam has occurred, and after then the news will come that no, the exam has cancelled. But this exam is giving second chance to appear. So if any student has done some silly mistake on first time, they have the chance to recover those mistakes. Suppose a student name XXX, okay, YYY, has scored 340 marks only. Okay, okay, score not a very good. So that student has the chance to study again with full passion, with full strategy, with full concentration, and can go for it. So it is a good chance for students. Don't lose hope. I'm telling you again, sometime bad news also comes as a good hope if you go on the positive side. Don't go on the negative side. Why happen? यार हो गया, किसी का कंट्रोल नहीं था, हो गया. Okay, but sometime if universe is doing this, then this is the good chance for you. Start preparing from right now, from this spot, from this time. If you want guidance, if you want some more lectures, what kind of lectures you want, you can write in the comment box after seeing this video that, ma'am, this portion is, please, revise the human physiology again. We will do, all educate will do good for the student, best for the student. And we want each and every student get select. Okay, because this exam will make your future as a doctor. Okay, so sometimes second chance is the best. Now, what will be your strategy? You are not going to panic your mind by seeing so many newses. Now the news has come. Now now the this thing is clear in everybody's mind that NEET 2026 cancelled. So re-NEET will occur. Okay, accept this truth. Accept this truth that ho gaya, ye ho gaya. Now what next? What next? Next is preparation. Again, preparation, daily preparation without wasting time. Prepare with happiness, with gratitude that okay, I'm getting second chance. If any student is not, was not able to fetch good marks in NEET part 1, we need best for that student. Okay. Daily preparation, what to do? Simple. Now you are done with the, you have already cleared the war. You have already cleared war. Now you have to just modify it. Simple. Done. So, you know, if it is good, you can make group studies because teaching some another student will revise you more. But if you are not comfortable with group study, don't do it. Okay, don't do this. Ki Meetu ma'am said that group studies and it will cause difficulty for us. No, because sometimes group studies will, create chit chatting. Don't do this. If you are okay with your individual studies, go for it. Don't do any group study. It all depends on you. You have already mastered the strategy. Okay, you have already mastered the strategy before 3rd May. Now you have to just brush it up. सिर्फ आपको मक्खन ही तो लगाना है हल्का सा. ठीक है. So preparation, daily preparation is go through the theory. Go through the theory. Quick revision of theory of physics, chemistry and biology. Physics, chemistry and biology. But don't forget to do questions. PYQS and NCRT exemplars. Okay, this is all about this video. Please don't panic. Be happy. हो गया so हो गया. Don't worry. Now prepare for re-NEET. Think that NEET will never, already not occurred on 3rd May and it will, going to occur after 30 days. Imagine like this. So you have lump sum on an average 1 month, 1 month extra to prepare. If you are not good with genetics, do it. If you are not good with your human physiology, do it. If you are not comfortable, if you are not good with biotechnology, do it. These are high weightage topics for NEET. And already biology paper was easy but lengthy. This time maybe it will occur thoda sa, maybe the difficulty level increases because in future what the paper will come never know by anyone. Okay, so don't panic and gratitude to the universe. Okay, it will happen and I will prepare for re-NEET and going to my exam. Okay, and if you want some lectures, if you want some more strategy, please students, you are free to write some good suggestions on in the comment box after this. Okay students, thank you so much.